Hi guys, in this video we're going to be working through an exam style question.
Hi guys, we're going to have a go at an exam style question now to test our understanding. Let's take a look at our first question. We're told that Lucy drives to school and one day she measures her velocity along her journey. And her journey is shown in the graph below. If we take a look at the axes of this graph, one of the axes is velocity and the other axis is time. So this is a velocity against time graph. The first question we're asked is, what is Lucy's acceleration in the first 200 seconds? Well, let's start by reminding ourselves what we know about acceleration. We know that the acceleration is equal to the change in velocity divided by the change in time. In other words, the acceleration is equal to the gradient. So let's just note that down too. This acceleration is the gradient of the graph. Now we're being told specifically to calculate this gradient over the first 200 seconds. So let's take a look at that region on the graph. That's the region from 0 up until 200. And of course this change in time that we're looking at here is 200 seconds. Now to calculate the gradient, we're also going to need to find the change in height of the graph. In other words, the change in velocity. So let's mark that down too. That's this distance here. And all in all, that arrow represents 20 meters per second. So we know that the gradient of this graph over that region of time is going to be 20 divided by 200. Which gives us a final value of 0.1 meters per second squared. Remembering here, of course, the correct units for acceleration. In the next part of the question, we're asked to suggest what is happening between 400 and 500 seconds. And at this point, it's probably worth noting that since 5 of these squares represents 200, we can divide 200 by 5 to show that each square is worth 40 seconds. So if we take a look at the region starting at 400.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.